Hey guys, hello. Jerry Landry at the Weathered Shed. How's everybody doing? It is Thursday evening, a wet, rainy evening here in Wisconsin. So I am crafting up a really quick project. Let me just pull you guys up on my iPad. Say hello as you're coming in so that I can see all you lovelies out there and say hello. Make sure that I am in camera okay. And when I say this is a quick project, guys, I literally mean it is a very, very quick project. Hey, Christy, thanks for joining. Hey, Ann. Hey, Debbie. It is extremely yucky night. It's been raining all flippin' day in Wisconsin. Yes, it's winter. Before I cut this up, though, let me just show you guys this adorable cutie pie sign that I'm going to make. Life is short, buy the shoes. Isn't that sweet? So I am just quickly cutting this apart. As you come in, say hi, guys. Hey, Debbie. I'm just going to flip the camera down. Make sure you guys are in view here. And when I say quick, I mean quick because I have to be on another live at 7 o'clock. So that is how confident I feel about getting this done, you guys. If you have not seen me do this particular type project before, let me just tell you a little bit about it. What I'm doing here is I'm cutting apart a silkscreen transfer. It's adhesive and it's reusable. And it's simply amazing, amazing, amazing. So you guys will see that as I demo here. I'm just going to put some of these pieces and parts aside. I'm going to start with this word at the top of my board here. I'm just using this simple board. Life is short, so I'm going to put that at the top of the page. And if you didn't see the design, I thought I posted it earlier, maybe not on my business page here, maybe in my VIP group. Let me grab my book real quick and show you guys because it is stinking adorable, adorable, adorable. And I love the message because I love shoes. What woman doesn't like shoes, right? But this is the finished project. This is what I'm making, literally using two colors, black and currant jam, which is a chalkology paste. Isn't that stinking cute? So that is what I'm doing here. And I'm doing it upside down because I want it to be right side up to you guys. So I'm using black chalkology paste, you guys. It's a water-soluble substance. And again, like I said, these are silkscreen, reusable, adhesive transfers. They're not stencil. You can get 8 to 10 uses out of these. Pretty stinking magnificent. So I'm literally just putting down a little paste on here. I'm going to take a squeegee, a rubber squeegee wedge. Hey guys, as you come in, say hello. Please share out this video. I would appreciate it. Show me some love. Look at that. So you slap on the paste, you scrape it off so that you can see your design through it. And look at it, I even have excess I'm going to put back in the jar. You don't use very much at all, like that. And then I'm going to go ahead and peel it off. And like I said, it's a silk screen, you guys. There's a mini screen in these. They're pretty stinking amazing. Look at that. Bam, done. Now I'm going to put this in a water bath and rinse it off. And then I will wipe it with a disinfectant wipe, let it dry, and it will be able to be used again. It's amazing. Now I have a black towel underneath my board here. And for these larger pieces, actually for all the pieces, I should be fuzzing it up. Fuzzing it up is getting some fuzz on the back of the transfer because it is so sticky when it's new. See that, guys? Look at, see that mini screen in there? But because they're so sticky when they're new, you want to get some fuzz on them. So that is the reason that I have the towel here, because you don't want it to risk, you know, pulling up whatever surface that you're applying it to. So if it's, you know, or being too sticky like on glass or something like that, you don't want to risk stretching the transfer or pulling up some like fibers in the wood, that kind of a thing. I want to make sure this is straight here. It's got those little wig squiggly thingies. So it throws you for a loop a little bit, especially when you're doing it upside down. All right, that looks good enough to me. Does that look good enough to you guys? Buy the shoes. It's kind of written in a funny font style, kind of whimsical. So I think it's supposed to be a little bit off kilter. So I'm just taking, again, a little bit of paste, scraping it across the screen part of the image, like so, scraping off the excess, like so, wiping off the extra back into my jar, peeling it up, and look at that, voila, beautiful, right? Got a little smudge there. I'm just gonna take a baby wipe that off, magical. And then I'm gonna move on to my next word, which is shoes. Life is short, buy the shoes. I'll make sure my shoes will fit in the bottom here. And my word, I think it's gonna be tight, but we're gonna make it work. All right. So how's everybody doing? The chalk dries very, very quickly. As a matter of fact, this up here is almost dry already, Christy. A lot of times I'll hit it with a blow dryer like this. It all depends on what surface you're applying the chalk paste to. It dries very, very quickly. See, that's dry already. So that is what's so beautiful about this product. It was originally created for a chalkboard so that you could change up your designs. You can put it on a chalkboard, wash it off, change up the design, and create something new. So that is why it was originally created, but since then has been just used on oodles and oodles of surfaces. Wood, glass, metal, you name it. It can go on all different surfaces, and we have an ink that is permanent. So if you guys are interested in knowing more about this product, just type info in the comments. Those of you that are watching the replay, thank you for watching. So yeah, just type info and I will get you into my VIP group, and I will also post a link to that because I am going to be offering a special kit to get everything you see me using here in January. For January, I'm taking pre-orders on a special offer, so you don't want to miss out on that. So again, I'm just putting drops of paste on here. I am going to use our angled squeegee. I love this squeegee because you can drag the paste very quickly over a large space in no time flat. Look at that. Bam, bam, bam. Make sure I get that other little white spot right there. Done. Putting the excess back into my jar. You can't do this with vinyl, guys. You can't get this level of detail with vinyl if you use a cutting machine. The details that are in these shoes that I'm about to show you next is stinking incredible. They're beautiful, and you just can't weed vinyl and get that kind of detail. That's what makes this product so stinking amazing and why I love, love, love creating with it. Look at that. Perfect every single time. Perfect, perfect. Never gets old. Let me hit this with a blow dryer. How long have I been going now, guys? I've literally been talking for what? 15 minutes maybe, if that. Fast. Fast, fast, fast. You can whip out beautiful home decor in no time with this product. It's so amazing. All right, where is my other little piece of my shoe? I don't want to lose it. Okay, there it is. All right. I have, like I said, I have a VIP group if you request to join that. I have lots of info in there, and I will be putting up a special deal tonight for this particular design that you can pre-order and get paste and squeegee and all kinds of stuff at a special deal. So you want to get in on that because this is stinking adorable, especially when you guys see me do the shoes. All right. So here we go. I'm laying down the detail part of these shoes. So cute. Let's see. It looks like on the example, they are kind of close to the swirly swoosh off of the H. So I think that's about perfect right there. Oh, you know what? You guys forgot to remind me. I need to fuzz this. Did I fuzz it? I'm losing my ever-loving mind. See, because I'm rushing. That's why. I did fuzz it, right, guys? You saw me fuzz it. Fuzzing it up puts fuzz on the back of the transfer because these are sticky. They're adhesive, so that they can be reused. You want to get some fuzz, a little fuzz on them when you're going on a brand new surface like this. Okay, watch this now, guys. I have my angled squeegee again. Watch how fast I'm going to do these shoes. I should have had one of you guys time me. I actually probably could have gone faster than that, but I'm trying to be careful around the edge. Again, I'm taking off the excess, scraping it, scraping it, scraping it so that I can see my image, because you don't need to have a thick layer on here. All right, I'm going to pull that off. Oh my gosh, so cute. So cute! Look at that! Is that not cute? Now wait, you guys, because the bling is when I put the color on the back side of the shoes, the underside of the shoes. That is when it really gets adorable. Stinking adorable. Uh-oh. Why are you guys facing the ceiling? Why are you guys facing the ceiling? Did I accidentally hit the thing? See? Technology. Wacky. There we go. I moved the camera down and somehow my finger hit the button. All right. I'm taking you guys on a wild ride. All right. So here we go. Let me just dry this real quick so I can do the colored part. Look at that. It's already dry. Dry, 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 guys. It is dry. See these? These are cute little pieces to put the color underneath the shoe. So you can actually, because they're silkscreen, you can line up exactly where your design element needs to go. This is the beautiful color that I'm using, Current Jam. And I'm going to do this big shoe first here. Current Jam. You guys can see my iPad in there now too. Look at that. Which I really didn't want you to see, but I'm not going to worry about it right now. You got a good picture there, so make sure that you guys can... All right, so see how this lines up? The opening there, the top for the shoe, and the underside part lines up perfectly. Look at that. Okay, I'm going to press that down. Hopefully that won't rip off my black color. I forgot to fuzz it, so let me do that again. You guys got to keep me in order here because I'm rushing so that I can make my 7 o'clock. I'm trying to do too much at once, aren't I? But watch, I'm going to do it. I am going to do it. All right, so here's my Current Jam. Pardon our technical difficulties. Yeah, thanks, Shabby Daddy. All right, here we go. Look at this beautiful Current Jam. Isn't that gorgeous? All right, so we're going to do that. Bam, bam. Nice thing is, I'm not hosting the second call. I am just a participant. I'm not the important factor. So even if I'm late, oh my gosh, isn't that cute? So cute. Ah! Oh my gosh, you guys. Isn't that adorbs? Oh, okay, here's the other part. Going on the other shoe. Oh my gosh, who wouldn't love to have this little kit to make, right? So adorable. Okay, so here's the next one. Again, I'm lining it up. Now they come to life, right guys? Woo! Okay, look at that. Love it. I know, Christy. Isn't it cute? Yes, Lori. It's adorbs, adorbs. Oh my gosh. So again, guys, make sure that you type in info or click on my groups on my page and join the VIP group. Request to join the VIP group so you can get an order in for one of these kits. They'll be shipping after in early January. Oh my gosh. I love this. Love, love, love. Let me dry it. Please share out this video, guys. I would appreciate it. Isn't it adorable, you guys? How stinking cool is that? How stinking cool. Life is short. Buy the shoes. I totally agree, don't you, ladies? Yes, indeed. So there you have it. There's my project. I think I talked and goofed off more than I did anything else, more than it took me the time to make it. It is what time is it? Somebody tell me the time. I am going to make my next call. So again, if you know somebody that you think would love this type of crafting, please share this out, guys. I would appreciate it. And again, join my VIP group or type in info if you'd like more information about this. Thanks so much for joining. And you guys have a great rest of your evening, okay? Love and hugs to all of you. Bye-bye.